Hi everyone, today I'm sharing a real-world transformation story, how we helped a manufacturing company to streamline and automate their inventory system using Zoho. If you're still managing inventory on spreadsheets, this will open up new possibilities. A mid-sized manufacturing firm that deals with over 500 product SKUs, operating across 3 warehouse locations. Like many growing businesses, they relied heavily on Excel sheets and manual coordination across departments. This caused delays, errors, and a lack of visibility across their operations. During our initial assessment, we identified 5 critical challenges. First, they didn't have real-time inventory tracking. Second, there was no standardized process for inward or outward stock. Third, they had no way of forecasting future stock needs. Everything depended on manual updates, and there was zero integration between inventory and finance. This made them vulnerable to stockouts, over-purchasing, and delays in customer orders. We built a complete centralized inventory system using Zoho Creator. It was fully integrated with Zoho Books for financial tracking and Zoho Analytics for reporting. We developed custom modules that handled all inventory movements, tracked stock across warehouses, triggered alerts for reorder levels, and delivered daily dashboards to decision makers. Here's a breakdown of what we built for a company. The inward module logs goods received, batches, and suppliers. The outward module tracks dispatches and customer fulfillment. A real-time dashboard shows available stock, reorder status, and even fast-moving items. Our forecasting tool used historical data to predict future inventory needs. And finally, we added automated alerts, so no more surprises when stock runs low. One of the biggest wins was seamless integration. Zoho Books handled inventory valuation and purchase orders. Sales orders from Zoho CRM fed directly into the inventory system, and Zoho Analytics brought it all together with powerful visual reports. This helped to unify their finance, sales, and operations teams on a single platform. The results were clear and quick. Within just 6 weeks of go-live, manual entries dropped by 90%, stock mismatch cases reduced by 80%, daily dashboards gave managers instant insights, dispatch approvals became 60% faster, and perhaps most importantly, they were able to plan better using forecasting tools. This was more than a system upgrade. It was a complete operational transformation. This story is just one example of what we do at Zentegra. Whether you're in manufacturing, retail, or services, we design Zoho-based solutions tailored to your exact needs. Our goal is simple: help businesses like yours reduce friction, increase efficiency, and scale with confidence. Want to learn how we can help your team? Visit us at zentegra.com or email us directly. Let's build your transformation story together.